We didn't see much here earlier today, but we still have that opportunity here late tonight into the overnight hours. And yeah, we definitely could use some of that rainfall here in North Alabama with all the heat and, of course, the dry conditions the last couple of months. Here's the view from Muscle Shoals right now. This is looking off to the west-southwest. This view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. We've had quite a bit of cloud cover here in the afternoon hours, but you'll notice even some breaks in the clouds bringing some of that late afternoon, early evening sunshine. So made it up to 83 degrees here at the 6 o'clock update. Heat index closer to 90, but of course we will see much worse than that here later this work week. So what we're seeing over the last hour on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar networks. Mostly dry conditions, just a few little spits off to our south and southeast. These are very light shower sprinkles, kind of just grazing past Coleman and Blount County. That's it so far, and we'll zoom in a little bit closer. Again, most of these hardly enough to even wet the ground or your car windshield. But if you look off to the west, you'll notice closer to Tupelo, starting to see some developing showers, and then closer to Memphis, starting to see some showers and storms developing. All of these areas were dry 30 minutes ago, so this is going to quickly start to take off, and we do expect a lot of those developing showers and storms to move in here late tonight into the overnight hours. This is the latest severe weather outlook. This came down about 2.5 hours ago from the Storm Prediction Center, and you can tell by the overall shape the movement of these. They'll be moving in from out of the southwest here tonight into the overnight hours. That 1 out of 5 severe risk. It ends close to and just to the west of I-65, but even for those storms outside of the yellow on the map, they can still be strong, still producing some pretty gusty winds, heavy rainfall, and of course dangerous cloud to ground lightning. So here's a look at future radar. 8 o'clock this evening, it's still pretty dry, but watch how the storms really start to fill in future radar closer to midnight and into the overnight hours. And we just continue to see some of those storms moving in from out of the west and southwest all the way through tomorrow morning. That's 7:30 tomorrow morning, so that's going to impact your morning commute. These are right on top of I-65 and still pushing east through North Alabama all the way through the rest of the morning hours. But by lunchtime, you'll notice that we're starting to see the storms dissipating and exiting. So we're expecting most of the rain and storms tomorrow to come before lunchtime, with drier conditions lasting into your afternoon and into your evening hours. And once we get past that storm threat, we're going to have enough sunshine to make it back up to the low 90s for your Tuesday afternoon. It's about 10 degrees warmer than what we saw today. And then, yeah, we're tracking that big heat wave building in through the rest of the work week. And we're not going to see any big drop-offs in the humidity. So we've got the air temperatures in the upper 90s and the humidity in place. That's what the dark greens are indicating by the middle of the week. So take a look at these. These are the peak heat index values for each afternoon. Some afternoons we may only touch these for 30 to 45 minutes, and then they come back down. But still some values at or above 105. So I do expect quite a few of those heat advisories to be issued by the National Weather Service once we get closer to Wednesday and through probably the entire week, all the way through this weekend, if not beyond that. So your 7-day forecast, 91 for a high tomorrow, that 40% chance that's mostly in the morning hours, and then just a slight chance lingering into your Wednesday. We do have another system coming through on Thursday that'll give us a 30% chance for showers and storms. But for the trash pandas back in town Friday, Saturday, and Sunday out at Toyota Field, they'll have to contend with the heat. There is a 20% chance for showers and storms, but it's going to mostly be a heat issue with those first pitches at 6:35 on Friday.